Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the Amazon Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition, 32 gigabytes, Amazon's first ever color Kindle that brings your reading experience to life. This sleek e-reader features a 7-inch color e-ink display, allowing you to highlight text in vibrant hues like yellow, orange, blue, and pink. The auto-adjusting front light ensures optimal brightness, whether you're reading in bright sunlight or a dim room. Plus, it's waterproof, so you can enjoy your favorite books by the pool or in the bath without worry. With 32 gigabytes of storage, you can carry thousands of books wherever you go. The long battery life means you can read for weeks on a single charge, and when it's time to recharge, the wireless charging capability adds convenience to your routine. The Kindle Colorsoft Signature Edition is designed for readers who want a richer, more immersive experience. Whether you're diving into graphic novels, cookbooks, or children's books, the color display adds a new dimension to your reading. Click the link below for the best price, and thanks for watching.